Imagine a customer visits your website, looks at a product, but leaves without buying anything. Most businesses would lose that customer forever. But what if, a few hours later, the customer receives a personalized email reminding them about the product, maybe even offering a small discount? That simple follow-up can bring them back and convert them into a buyer. This is the power of email marketing and marketing automation. Email marketing is one of the oldest digital marketing strategies, but it remains one of the most effective. It allows businesses to communicate directly with customers in a more personal and controlled way compared to social media or advertisements. Companies use email to send updates, offers, newsletters, and product recommendations. Because emails reach users in their personal inbox, they often feel more direct and personalized. One of the biggest strengths of email marketing is targeting and personalization. Instead of sending the same message to everyone, businesses segment their audience based on behavior, interests, or past purchases. For example, an e-commerce company might send different emails to new visitors, existing customers, or users who abandoned their shopping carts. This increases the chances of engagement because the message feels relevant to the individual. This is where marketing automation becomes important. Automation tools allow businesses to send emails automatically based on specific actions taken by customers. For example, when someone signs up for a website, they might receive a welcome email. If they add a product to their cart but don't complete the purchase, they may receive a reminder email later. These automated workflows are often called email funnels or customer journeys. Companies like Amazon use advanced email marketing and automation strategies to keep customers engaged. They send personalized product recommendations based on browsing and purchase history, along with updates about orders, offers, and new products. This keeps customers connected to the platform even after they leave the website. Email marketing is also highly measurable. Marketers track metrics such as open rates, click-through rates, and conversion rates to understand how well their campaigns are performing. This allows businesses to continuously improve their messaging and timing. Despite the rise of social media and other digital channels, email marketing remains one of the most powerful tools for building long-term relationships with customers. When combined with automation, it allows businesses to communicate at the right time, with the right message, to the right person. This is the Learning Studio, and in the next episode, we will begin exploring some of the most powerful real-world marketing case studies, starting with Apple and the power of simplicity in branding.